Okay, let's now put all together. And the first thing to do is to reorganize and rename just a few things. The box 1 sim, we can call it RBD, box 1 RBD, and the pop network box 1 dust. I would like to see a better alignment here. Like this one, okay. And we need to create a Doppler import for the pop simulation. We don't have the pop simulation. Okay. Right now we have a lot of attributes that we don't need. So it's always a good idea to clean up before caching. Delete attribute. We can basically delete everything here. And also the groups. So we now have just the position. Okay. And this is out box 1 dust. Let me change the color and the shape. Wow. Okay. The same stuff here, copy and paste for the RBD. Group delete. The difference here is that we probably need to keep the vertex normal. Yes, okay. Okay, seems fine. And this is outbox 1 RBD. Okay. Now we can create a file cache. Maybe labs file cache. Let's call it cache box 1 dust. What you put here, it's up to you. Cache $OS frame $F4. Okay, and the start frame is this one. Okay, the same for the RBD. Cache box 1 RBD, and the frame is this one. Okay. And maybe we are ready to copy and paste. Yes. So let's make some space here. Grab all this stuff. And this one is, oh, the glass fracture is not matching the current definition. Okay. One here and this one here. Okay. So box 2 RBD. Box 2 dust. Let's check the DOP import, RBD, dust, okay, and inside this, the static object now is the box 3 collider. Crack animation, the start frame is this one. The second one, by the way, sorry, I wrote down the values for the other boxes. 91 and 93 for the dust. So we can use this one, copy. And 91. Okay. And 93. Perfect. Let me see. Box 2 RBD. Box 2 dust. Cache box 2 dust. RBD. Seems okay. And I notice now that the box 3 collider doesn't have the bound that we set before. So, okay. Okay. So, copy. Match current definition. Oops. And this one is 165 and 167. Box 3 RBD. Box 3 dust. Okay, and inside the third one doesn't have a static object actually. The crack animation is box 3 RBD start frame. This one is yes. Box 3 RBD and box 3 dust. Okay, it seems correct. We just need to change a little bit the seed. Something here. Okay. For the radial lines, we already have a different seed. yes, and yes. Okay. Box 3 dust, box 3 RPD. Okay. Now we can create some network box. This will be box 1 dust, and this will be box 1 RBD. Okay. And now this one is box 1. And you can do the same for the other boxes. So now I already cached everything on disk because I want to talk about the output. Right now we have everything inside this geometry node. Let's call it setup. Create another geometry node, glass, where we will put the RBD simulations. Object merge. This is out box 1 RBD. Box 2 and box 3. Okay, we can merge. Okay, now we have to time shift to get the other frames, basically. Time shift, switch, now switch if $f is greater than 18, use this one. Time shift 18, otherwise. Okay. And the same for the other. And output. And this is the glass. So another geometry for the dust. Object merge. Here we don't need the time shift. Setup out box 1 dust. Box 2. box 3. And the last one is for the bullet. Bullet is what is it? Bullet anim. Yes. Okay. I forgot to mention the fits. I just copy and paste them from another project. It's just it's just a curve and extrusion, polybevel, and copy and paste, stuff like that. I don't think I need to explain this stuff. Fades. Where is it? Fits. And that's it. Oops. We are now ready to render.